Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Phantom Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Now, you won't see any options for directly purchasing XRP within the Phantom Wallet. Instead, you can buy XRP on any exchange of your choice such as Bybit, Bitget, or Binance. After purchasing, you can send your XRP to your Phantom Wallet using networks like Solana, Ethereum, or Polygon. To do this, tap on the Receive option in your Phantom Wallet. From the list, select the network you want to use to send your XRP from the exchange. For this video, I will use my Binance account. Tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right corner of the screen, and here, tap on Send button. In this pop-up, select On-Chain Withdraw, and now search for your XRP and select XRP. Here, you will need to provide the address for your Phantom Wallet. To get this address, return to your Phantom Wallet and copy the Ethereum network address. Paste the address into the withdrawal section and select the ERC20 network. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind that the minimum withdrawal amount is 5 XRP. You will also need to pay a network fee in XRP. Finally, tap on the Withdraw option and confirm your transaction. Once completed, you will receive your XRP in your Phantom Wallet. So that's basically how you can buy XRP Ripple on Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.